Well, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is me playing a game on YouTube. I'm not gonna be posting on TikTok for now. But anyhow, let's dive right in. Honestly, oh, I forgot those engines are loud. Look, there's the Antonov. That's the one with the biggest cargo plane there. And that's the plane I talked about on the biggest cargo plane. So as you can see, they recently had an update. So I'm gonna check it out. No, I accidentally spawned that one. I'm not doing that plane. Let's just grab this plane. I'm gonna grab the 737. This is a presidential plane. Oh, I own the presidential pass, so I can use this plane. This has to be a newer plane that this is probably from one of the newest updates, and I just haven't done it. But yeah, we're gonna be we're gonna be flying the Boeing C-40 Clipper. So let's just taxi now. Please say my friends don't call me. I'm really busy. If you can't. Oh yeah, they also added the camera lock cutscene, so like my camera can lock. But yeah, soon I'm gonna be doing other games because I actually got Robux and I bought a game to play, and it's Project Flight. I already tested out my iPad to see if it can handle the game, and it does. It handles the game just fine. I just still need to figure out how to land. That's the only problem, because it might just look like this, but you guys might think it looks like this, but you're wrong. It's 100% different. It's like way more complicated, like how a usual like plane cockpit would be. Like turn this way. I never actually flown this plane. This is going to be a first experience. I'm pretty sure I flew like other models, I think, but never like this model. This one has to be a new model. Alright. We're on the runway, so we should be able to take off. We're going to Origin. That's our place. This ain't like... Oh, I gotta line up. Let's take off. Put the landing gear up first. It looks like I'm flying sideways. Yeah, I was flying sideways. If you haven't heard about it, I got a TikTok account now, so I'll be posting like updates there, and, like videos and all that stuff. But I'm not gonna start like posting like updates. I only posted one so far. Like, the updates will actually start rolling in around... I don't actually know, so stay updated for that, because it's too deep to tell. We're flying to Origin as fast as I can. I feel like I'm a little low. I also have a thing called camera lock, so it locks to the side. Which I like. Alright, let me set off the flares. Alright. Drop throttle down to 50%. Alright, slowly coming for a landing. slowly. I think I'm too low. Yeah, I'm too low. I should go up a little bit. Alright, yep, throttle down 36%. I want to see how good I can run with this. Oh yeah. I don't want to be too low that I skip the other runways, so I gotta be careful. Let's go up a little. We are slowly coming in. We're slowly losing like speed so we can land. Perfectly fine. Alright, 164 should be enough. Oh yeah, I'm too low. Alright, I forgot to take out the landing gear, but now it's out. Going for a nice butter landing. Oh, I forgot. Reverse. Full throttle reverse. This slows the plane down. Wait, you just landed. So we'll get a 10. I haven't been posting recently. I've been mostly busy with like all this other stuff. Honestly, with April going in where I live, I'm like going crazy because April changes from hot, cold. Rains all the time. Recently, it's been raining with the sun now. Oh, I'm stuck. Right. Anywho, let me just do one more thing before I end off this video. So with that, y'all, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel as well. No, not my YouTube channel. This is what you're watching. TikTok. Don't forget to check out my new TikTok. I'll start posting more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.